Hi everyone, Henry here with another value-packed video. Something happened to me when I just got started with Systemi.io. Then I thought I had everything figured out. Then one of my clients, now back then he was a prospect, so he asked me to send my offer so that he can be able to go through it and eventually pay me for the service that he wanted me to work on. And I quickly went to my Systemi.io account because I knew the platform was a fantastic platform and everything is all in one place for me to just quickly go get in, fix one or two and create my landing page for the offer. So I went on the Systemi.io platform quickly. I can't remember the name of the offer then, so but I just use demo and I just go, okay, so I want to sell a product right now so that I can get paid for my service, and I choose this particular option and I click saved. After doing that, I just open it up because I knew that everything about the platform is so easy for me to just quickly go navigate. So I looked at, okay, what type of template will I go with? What template do I need? I'm telling you this because I know many of you as beginners, you are going to face this issue. And when that time comes, hopefully this video will help you to navigate it, because I don't want you to go through the frustration that I went through when I was trying to fix this same stuff. So I selected the template that I wanted, so I can just put all the information I need. So after selecting, I just click edit page. So click edit page and quickly I just set everything up, edit all this page, put what I wanted to put, all the information, let the client know about the benefit, put all the call to action, and I was like, everything is good. All I need now is to send the link. And I remember, oh, the payment. Yes, the payment option. So I went to the settings, payment settings. I made sure that everything is set up. I even went to payment gateway. Right? When I went to payment gateway, I linked the entire system together as well, right? Because I was using PayPal. So I linked my PayPal and also use the opportunity to link my Paystack so that I can be ready in whatever case. So after all this stuff, I went back to my landing page, cross-check it again for the second time, everything is set up. And I clicked the link and I sent it to my client. And the client was like, this thing is not working. The payment system is not working. I was like, what do you mean by the payment system is not working? I said, everything is working here. He said, no, I can't pay you. I said, you can't pay me. Village people want to try me. You can't pay me. How? I just click on test. I just went on myself to see if this stuff is actually working, just like I'm doing now. So I click on the link myself to see if there is anything wrong. Let me just check. I noticed that, okay, I can put in my information. I put in my details. I selected PayPal, right? I just went to this place. I click buy. I'm seeing the same error. This is the error here. Please add price plan in settings of payment page. I was like, add price plan. How? Where? I went to settings here. I put everything here. How do I add price plan? Where can I do that? Took me, I almost lost the deal because I was like, I want to build a website for this person. And me that is building website, I can't even collect payment with my own website until I discover the place where you can actually set this up. Like some of you are already wondering, but he has done everything now. So let me show you how to get that problem solved. All you need to do, once you have everything here set up, you need to click save and go back to the other dashboard. When you are in the other dashboard, this particular interface, when you are in this other interface, usually when we are creating this stuff using the template, once we are in this interface, the only thing we want to do here is to just click go and edit. We don't remember, we just click go and edit. And the truth is, most time that is the next step. You don't need to do any other thing in this page. But that is different if you are having an order form. Because when it comes to order form, there are other things you need to do. So, but you have to scroll down here. When you scroll down, you will see type of offer. You have to select this digital product. When you select digital product, you will now see another option that will be open onto you. This option here is asking you price plans and resources a customer can access after payment. You click here. If you already have the resources, if it's a digital product, you can click it here so that after they pay, then you will see the next option here asking you to select what the customer will receive after they make payment. You click, maybe you want to give them access to a course, whatever it is, right? You can just click the access. If I want to give you access to my 6 weeks cohort, my product creation guide, I do like this. So now after this, automatically, you see price plan will be here selected because I already have price plan attached to this program. But in your own case, if you are doing it for the first time, you will not see this stuff here. So what you want to do is, the moment you select digital products, click this plus button. This thing is hidden. It's not very clear. So like a lot of people will make mistakes trying to do this, just where I did. So what you want to do, you want to click here. You click this place here. it will ask you digital product name. If it's a digital product, right, you can just put the name. Let's say sales funnel, right? So after you say sales funnel, after entering the name, you will now have to enter this stuff here yourself. Look at it here, price plan. So how much? Is it a one-time payment? You select. If it's a one-time payment, in this case, the funnel is a one-time payment, just select one-time payment. Then inside here, you also select, you have existing plan here, but you don't want to use existing plan. You just want to create a new one. You click create a new one. Then you don't put the name. Sales funnel, right? Price plan display on dashboard, sales funnel. I'll just come down and say one-time payment and I'll put the amount here. So $1,500. Then save. Okay, here we just want to put a statement description. So here we just add sales funnel here and we click save. Now you have created the price plan that is making you not to be able to receive money from your client. Come outside here again and you say save. Now this resource is if you are giving somebody access to a course or to an ebook or to a particular cohort, you can use this resource. If you are not doing that, you don't need the resource. So click save. Now, after you click save, let's go back. So when we come back to this page now, this time around, we will see that it's different. Look at sales funnel here and the amount, $1,500. Correct. Now you have a complete sales page that can collect money on your behalf. Everything integrated. All you need is to save. After saving, go and test it again and make sure that everything is working. So now when we go to our test, we will discover that now we have the amount well displayed. So anybody can now pay. You can even try it if you want to pay me for a sales funnel. Just come. I will drop the link for you. You can try it and you will see everything. Now, once they fill their name, they click and buy now, they will be able to pay you for your services. So don't make the same mistake I made. I was like, I'm seeing my money like this. What's happening? I need this money. But eventually I figured out how to fix it and everything went well. If you are struggling to make $1 online or you are thinking about how do I start to make money on the internet, click my video on where I explain the processes on how I make money on the internet so that you can learn from it and also implement it in your own business. See you in the next one.